You can get a new career with the help of the NTMA training centers. Graduates of the NTMA training centers work at various companies that manufacture equipment for drilling mines and wells, and for pumping water and oil. And they work at companies that design cars. And they work at companies that make tools and equipment. And there is a constant demand for the machinists trained at NTMA. And that's why these company recruiters showed up at this NTMA job fair.
I currently have 3 CNC lathe operator openings, which I need to fill immediately.
We actually have 13 or 14 open recs right now for the machine operator and machinist for our second shift and first shift.
We have some setup and programmers open.
And what kind of jobs are those?
They set up CNC machines and they program. They do some programming on them as well.
We are here looking for both machinists and plating people.
We have a machine shop. We're looking for machinists, trainees. We're looking for people that know how to program CNC machines.
You actually have jobs open?
We have a lot of jobs open right now.
A lot of jobs?
A lot of jobs open in every department.
A lot of these employers are in the medical equipment and aviation industries. This recruiter is from SpaceX.
SpaceX, so we are a private commercial rocket manufacturer company. So we are designing and building our rockets and spacecraft in-house. We're basically providing a launch service to space for satellites as well as cargo to the International Space Station and eventually manned flight.
Yes, NTMA has training for current jobs and jobs with a future.
So I'm here looking for machinists.
Are there jobs open?
There are jobs open, yes. SpaceX is hiring.
We spoke to some of the graduates of NTMA who were back at the campus for NTMA's ongoing career support.
I graduated last year.
And did you get a job right away?
Yeah, I actually was hired like a month before graduating. I was hired at 2 companies, and I had choices to make.
So a month before graduation, you had 2 offers?
Yeah.
I graduated in November of last year.
And did you get a job? Or?
Yeah, I landed a job in January.
Yes, I graduated last October, and I mean, ever since then, I think I've been on the right path, and I'm here today again to, try to continue my education and my work experience. So,
are you going back to school for more training?
Yes, I am.
NTMA graduates praise the training they got.
Training was excellent. I loved the training. I loved what I paid for, and everything's good.
One of the NTMA graduates is Larry Sampson, who now owns his own machine shop and owns and drives race cars.
I was able to work as a CNC programmer, a shop foreman, supervisor, and now I own my own company. I owe a lot of what I've become to the training I got here at the school.
And now you own your own company and you drive race cars.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
NTMA training can lead to many different careers, such as working in nuclear power.
We primarily make spacers for nuclear reactors. So our spacers actually go inside of a nuclear reactor and divide the fuel rods.
And working in manufacturing.
We manufacture precision die castings out of zinc and aluminum.
What does it use to make?
It's typically most of our business is in the automotive areas, but we also produce products in consumer electronics and other different industries, but mainly automotive.
And there's work in construction.
Our company is named Goldbreak USA Incorporated, and we sell custom-made high-end aluminum windows.
And all of the employers recruiting here at NTMA had jobs to fill here in Southern California. There's a good reason why these companies are here to hire NTMA graduates.
I think the last 4 individuals we hired all came from NTMA. Excellent workers and excellent, very, very trainable, and they're doing a good job for us.
They have a good foundation. They have a good course program. We know their trainers. Their trainers do a great job.
The NTMA training centers can get you working. There are campuses in Ontario and Norwalk. Call for a tour and information. 800-962-NTMA or trainingcenters.org for information about how you can get to work.